TaxDome Learning Resources. Unlock the full potential of TaxDome with our comprehensive learning resources. Whether you're just getting started or aiming to master advanced features, we've created a range of tools to help you navigate the platform with ease and optimize it for your practice's needs. First, the TaxDome Academy. You can access this from the Help menu in the top navigation bar. The TaxDome Academy is an online learning platform designed to make mastering TaxDome easier while tailoring its features to your needs. Its primary goal is to offer comprehensive courses on every aspect of TaxDome, helping you optimize its use for your practice. Each course includes video lessons covering key topics, followed by quizzes to reinforce your understanding. Upon successful completion of a course, you'll receive a certificate to showcase your achievement. Then, there is the Help Center. Access it by navigating to help.taxdome.com or by clicking Help in the top navigation bar, typing a keyword into the search field, and then choosing from the list of related articles. The TaxDome Help Center is packed with detailed guides to answer any questions you may have. Whether you're looking for step-by-step instructions or troubleshooting tips, you'll find comprehensive resources to support you. You can also access the Help Center from the mobile app. Simply tap the question mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select Help Center. You can find in-depth product webinars and workshops on the TaxDome Product Webinars page. TaxDome's educational webinar series is designed to explore specific topics in detail, providing practical insights to help you get the most out of the platform. These sessions are available on demand, allowing you to watch and deepen your understanding at your convenience. You'll find webinars covering a wide range of topics, from getting started and importing clients to leveraging workflow automations. Do you enjoy visual guides? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for free to stay up to date with our latest videos. Many of our short videos on specific features are embedded in our help articles, but you can also watch them directly on the TaxDome YouTube channel. To access it anytime, just click Help in the top navigation bar. Finally, we release system updates several times a week. To stay up to date on all new features, click What's New in the top navigation bar. We post updates regularly, so check in once you notice a green icon indicating that there's something new to discover.